So yes, you guys, I haven't done any video regarding this at all because the last thing I want to ever do is find myself bantering words with anybody on the internet right now. Yeah, but I'm doing this for the sake of my brand integrity. So of course I'm not a scammer or a fraudster. I will never be. It's my 7th year as an influencer, and I've influenced for and done ads for tons of brands, plenty, and nothing like this has ever come up. Even this period, nothing like this came up after this. So like, it's not me. That's not me at all. Yeah. So I apologize to the business person involved and every other person that felt disappointed. I'm not too big to admit when I'm wrong, or it's not a problem for me. So yes, I apologize for the delay in that refund and the delay in the entire business transaction. It was totally unintentional. First of all, the payment was way lower than I charged, and then the location and everything. So we're going back and forth. I was trying to negotiate to see if I could go. I was still contemplating, time was passing and everything. And then I got really busy. I got choked up with all my work. This new movie production I ventured into that has been really, really time consuming. And I would admit I was being too playful at the wrong time. My followers here know me to be very goofy. Yeah, that was at the wrong time. I have to admit that, yes. And this was happening because I thought there was an active, friendly chat going on. I mean, those statements I made, can't you that if I get 1 million naira, if you call police, I'll not be in Nigeria. I couldn't have been serious. Like, that was a complete joke, and I joked too much. Like, that's bad. I shouldn't mix pleasure with business. Yes, but even after my messages, I would send stickers. If I was serious, I won't send sticker after typing it. I would just block the person and go into hiding. I deliver my promises. I deliver jobs. You guys have watched me carry brands on my head. I deliver 100% with full energy, full creativity since 2017 till now, and I'll keep delivering. Thank you so much. I'm gonna keep doing better and improving. I love you guys.